Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. According to the latest available leaks, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra could cut corners in good way. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra features an impressive design, but its sharp corners make it uncomfortable to hold. A reliable leaker claims the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature really rounded corners for improved ergonomics. Despite the rounded corners, Samsung will apparently not give up on bundling an S Pen with the device. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is among the best Android phones that you can buy now. While not perfect, its big display, all-day battery life, and amazing software features are bound to impress you. One issue with Samsung's 2020 flagship is its squarish design and sharp corners. This makes the phone uncomfortable to hold, especially since the corners dig into your palm. Samsung could finally address this problem with the Galaxy S25 Ultra next year. It's been too long since the Galaxy S series saw any meaningful upgrade. Unlike the Galaxy S24 Ultra model, its regular and Plus siblings have rounded frame, making them more comfortable and easier to hold. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's sharp edges can be tracked back to the 2022 Galaxy S22 Ultra and Samsung's decision to adopt a Note-style design and integrate the S Pen stylus into it. Since then, the Korean giant's flagship phones have stuck to a similar squarish design with sharp corners despite the ergonomic trade-off. It appears Samsung has finally realized this design downside of its flagship phones and could address it next year. Famous tech insider that focusing on Samsung is claimed that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature really rounded corners, ensuring it is comfortable to hold for long hours. And worry not, the rounded corners will purportedly not come at the expense of the S Pen. The leaker had previously complained about the Galaxy S24 Ultra's sharp corners and how it digs into his palm after 10 minutes of use. Sadly, if leaks are accurate, Samsung plans to adopt a similar squarish design for upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6. This could negatively impact the foldable's ergonomics and make it difficult to hold for long when folded with one hand. With the Galaxy S25 lineup, it is high time the company shook things up and gave its premium phones a design revamp. If anything, Samsung could adopt a rounded frame, as seen on the 2022 Galaxy S21 Ultra, to improve the ergonomics of its 2025 flagship line. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Bye bye.